the second obstacle जो मैंने I touched upon just a second
हाँ.
ago, which is the Salman Khan style of love, जो Wanted में दिखाते हैं ना, दूर से देख रहा है, वो exercise कर रही है, उसको ताड़ रहा है.
हाँ.
Generally representative of one-sided love.
One-sided love.
या friend zone issues.
Yeah.
How many times really well-to-do men who manage to understand the markets and business and their
Yeah.
game well enough fall into the trap of this one-sided Bollywoodized version of love, जहाँ पे हम friend zoned हैं, हम लिथड़ रहे हैं महीना दर महीना उसकी attention के लिए. ये क्यों होता है क्षितिज?
भाई बिकॉज वो उनको अट्रैक्शन नहीं समझ आया ना, उन्होंने सारी मार्केट
तो
समझ
समझा मेरे को attraction.
बेसिक ब्रो फर्स्टली गेट टू एन अबंडेंस माइंडसेट that
What does
there
that
is
mean?
there is not only one girl in the entire world. If you think one girl is special, you will find someone. I guarantee you, you're gonna find 10 more girls that will be as special. Every time I've been obsessed with one girl. ठीक है, ये तो एक example था. I go to college, I'm obsessed with another girl, dude. Then I'm obsessed with another girl. Then I'm obsessed with another girl. Every time you will find a girl that's better, and every time I look at the previous girl, I'm like, yeah, she's so much better.
Yeah.
And till date,
That is historically true for every guy dating.
Everyone,
हाँ,
bro.
क्योंकि
Everyone.
You always get somebody better and you're like, वो भी बहुत अच्छी थी. But
हाँ.
यार, wow, I'm so happy.
100%.
So
bhai.
why do you think this is the only one?
Yeah. So, firstly, moving to an abundance mindset. Secondly, realizing that you also have value, भाई. तुम्हें घिसाने की जरूरत नहीं है लड़की के पीछे. If you have abundance in life, but that's the problem. People don't have. Now it's very difficult to build abundance in life if you don't have girls around you only. Just being like, यार, okay, लड़कियां बहुत हैं, but इनको तो फिर भी नहीं मिल रही है ना. So that's where some sort of experience and reference experiences comes into play, bhai.
What do you mean by that?
Reference experiences is if I've spoken to a girl and if I've spoken to girls I've dated, I've gotten their attention and I've had experiences with them. Now it's real for me. मेरे दिमाग में, मेरे experience में वो real है, on an experiential level, not on an intellectual level जो विपश्यना का concept है. On an intellectual level.
तुम्हारी instinct trained है, तुम्हारी body trained है उस चीज के लिए, right?
On an intellectual level you can be like, अरे बहुत लड़कियां हैं, but how do you behave?
Yeah.
As soon as at any party 4 लौंडे होंगे, एक लड़की भी घुसेगी ना, चारों सिंप हो जाते हैं. चारों सिंप हो जाते हैं भाई.
Universal, हाँ.
है ना?
Universal.
तो भाई अगर ये रियल है तुम्हारे लिए तो you don't behave like that ना. You be the guy. As soon as the girl walks in, you don't look at her, you don't go to her directly.
Right.
You don't try and be like, oh, what are you drinking? Hello, can I help you? You chill there, dude.
Right.
And then you completely do different things that a guy is doing. So इस sense में again you start with like mindsets. You gotta have abundance mindset. You're not supposed to have any limiting mindsets. कि यार I am not good enough.